What's up and good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Saturday and we're gonna start off today. There's a local car community cruise in the Pacific Northwest in Seattle, so I'm gonna go ahead and meet up with some of my friends. I'm gonna be taking the beautiful M4. I have been dealing it for a couple days out of the week, so it does need a car wash. However, it is too cold to wash the car outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure my rims are nice and shiny. The wheels are the only thing that matters if you guys are in a hurry. The rest of the car's pretty stock. Gotta get the wheels looking right. And I hope I'm not making anybody upset by the way I'm cleaning it. I'm actually just in a hurry, so some quick detail spray, wipe it down. Look at that. So I did use ceramic wax, hybrid wax on it, so it's actually pretty fucking shiny for a quick wash. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get to the start of the meet. Alright guys, so I made it to the gas station. We're pumping some gas right now. However, I realized something. I brought my drone, I brought my camera, but I didn't bring my gimbal. So that means there's gonna be some pretty whack cinematic shots. My cinematic shots are already pretty whack, but man, without that gimbal, it's gotta be even worse. So the meet, we got kicked out, and then they told us to go to Starbucks, but instead, I'm at Chick-fil-A. I don't know if you guys can tell, but screw it. We're going home. We're getting some Chick-fil-A. So I'll catch you guys when I get home, and we're gonna install some new car parts too. Peace. Put that there. We'll take the wrap. Put on the floor. You too, have a great day. Alright guys, we'll see you when we get home. I'm driving home and I see Linda walking the dogs and she looks upset. What's wrong, babe? Hey babies.
Stop.
You found a lost dog?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Well, he ran up to Monster and Kilo and I thought he was gonna attack him, so I got scared, so I was yelling at him. And then he started like walking off and then I'm like, wait, where the fuck is he going? And then we followed him like for I don't know how long, and then I was trying to get him closer, but they kept trying to fuck with him. So I went into the pathway and I tied them to a fucking tree, and then I went to go get him, but the whole time I thought he was a girl, so I was like, come here girl, and then he was like, what the fuck? And then I finally got close enough to call the numbers on the tag, called both, no answer, so I sent them a text. Then I called animal control and they're like, okay, we'll send someone, but we don't know how long. I'm like, okay, I'll just wait. And then finally one of the numbers coming back and they're like, oh thank God. And they came and got him. Kilo.
I can take Kilo? No, just let Kilo walk. Oh. Are there scratches?
Oh no. Dude, it's their nails.
I know, but
You're
still.
So annoying. No, let's
How am I annoying?
Come on, let's go.
I see you home, babe.
Forget Dad.
Alright guys, what's up? I am in the middle of trying to install my rear diffuser that I have for the car. That's going to be in a separate video, but I figured at the same time I'm going to go ahead and remove the exhaust tips And once I get the diffuser on, I'll put on my new exhaust tips. But in this video, I want to show you a very easy way to remove your exhaust tips without damaging them. So what I've done already is I sprayed WD-40 behind the exhaust tips to help it loosen and lubricate it so it helps slide out easier. And then all you got to do is get a hammer, and what I'm using is a rubber block that came extra with my quick jack. So all I do is place it behind the exhaust tip and hammer away and it'll slide off. So there you guys go. And there's one. Ah, I'm so tired. Fuck yes. Yeah, I did it. Fuck. And the exhaust tips that I went with are the ARM 90mm exhaust tips. I actually tried to order the VRSF ones when I ordered my downpipes, but they canceled that for some reason, so I don't know if ESRF doesn't make them anymore. But I figured they're all the same thing, stainless steel. Here they are, guys. They actually look pretty clean. Ooh. Look at that. So they look like they just slip on and then you tighten this nut and it'll stick on there. So let's go ahead and give that a go. They just slip right on, guys. And you kind of know, and you can kind of adjust where you want it to be too. Whoa. It's pretty gnarly. So as you tighten it, it'll actually move up too, it looks like. Alright y'all, here's the final product. Let's get some light in there. I think they look amazing. 90 millimeters is perfect. Probably could go a little bit bigger, but I couldn't find any. Again, I went with the stainless steel. Maybe could have went with black, but I wanted to break up the carbon fiber. There's gonna be a carbon fiber tray underneath the diffuser. But how I had it set it up, I did stagger them a little bit to go with the end of the lines of the car and the diffuser and pop out just a little bit. Well, there you go, guys. It's cold outside. I have the diffuser right there. I'm gonna finish it another day because it's getting cold and I got a dinner date with my bros. But yeah, let's wrap this baby up. Zam! Show you guys one more time. Let's put the aperture down, raise the ISO. There it is, guys. Super. It could be long depending on how long it takes you to hammer off those exhaust tips. But other than that, super easy install. Makes the rear of the car look even crazier. But yeah, this is gonna be a short video. I was in the middle of installing my diffuser. I figured I was gonna break it up and make a second one and install the exhaust tips while the car's already up. And there you have it. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If you guys are installing exhaust tips yourself or trying to figure out how to knock them off, you don't need a special tool. I've seen a couple of people suggest that. All you need is a piece of wood, a rubber block, and a hammer, and just knock it off. But there you go. We'll go ahead and finish the diffuser another day. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one again. Peace.